In a world filled with a kaleidoscope of fruits, there's one that stands out: the grapefruit. Join me today as we embark on a fascinating journey through history and discover the incredible health benefits of this citrus superstar. Our story begins in ancient Asia, where the grapefruit's wild ancestor, the pomelo, originated. These early ancestors of the grapefruit were treasured for their refreshing taste and invigorating aroma. With yellow skin or pink within, the grapefruit is a citrus twin. Its skin, a sunny yellow hue, with hints of pink peeking through. Centuries ago, adventurous traders carried these exotic fruits along the ancient Silk Road, introducing the pomelo to new lands. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, where grapefruits were presented as precious gifts to pharaohs. Their bittersweet flavor was believed to possess mythical powers, offering vitality and sustenance to those who consumed them. The grapefruit's journey continued with the arrival of European explorers in the 17th century. Captain Shattuck, an Englishman, introduced the grapefruit to the Caribbean islands. This is why, to this day, it's known as the Shattuck in some parts of the world. Plantations sprung up across the Caribbean and the United States, as the grapefruit became increasingly popular. Its cultivation and demand soared, marking the start of a thriving grapefruit industry. By the 18th century, the grapefruit had made its way to the American colonies and quickly became a sought-after delicacy. In the late 1900s, grapefruit production boomed in Texas and Florida. Ruby red grapefruit was discovered in Texas in 1929, bringing pink grapefruits to popularity. Grapefruit is grown in tropical and subtropical areas around the world. Beyond its delightful taste, scientists started uncovering the remarkable health benefits hidden within the grapefruit. Heart health: the nutrients in grapefruit may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Cancer prevention: grapefruit contains compounds like lycopene that may help protect against cancer. Weight loss: grapefruit is low in calories but high in fiber and water content, which helps promote fullness and weight loss. Studies show grapefruit can boost metabolism. Immune support: grapefruit is packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for immune health. Half a grapefruit meets about half your daily vitamin C needs. Hydration: grapefruit has a high water content, about 90% water, making it great for natural hydration. With its unique history and impressive nutrient profile, grapefruits are one of the healthiest citrus fruits you can eat. Adding grapefruit to your diet can provide key benefits for weight loss, immunity, heart health, hydration, and potentially cancer prevention. Try enjoying grapefruit on its own, in salads or juices to boost your overall well-being. Promising a tangy sweetness, a morning's gift that is a bliss. Its juicy spheres provide good cheer, tart and tangy without being severe. Grapefruit and mint refreshing ice water. Ingredients: 1 grapefruit, thinly sliced, fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of honey, well water. Instructions: fill a pitcher with water. Add the thinly sliced grapefruit, honey and a handful of fresh mint leaves to the water. Allow the water to infuse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or overnight for flavor. Serve the refreshing grapefruit and mint-infused water over ice. It is one of very refreshing summer drinks. Some enjoy it in their drinks, as grapefruit juice with twists and zings. Let's raise a glass and give a toast to the mighty grapefruit we love most. Grapefruit and honey breakfast bowl. Ingredients: 1 grapefruit, segmented 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons granola. Instructions: cut the grapefruit in half and carefully segment it, removing any seeds. Place the grapefruit segments in a bowl. Drizzle honey over the grapefruit. Add a dollop of Greek yogurt on top. Sprinkle granola over the yogurt. Enjoy your refreshing breakfast bowl. Healthy and delicious. With each tangy, zesty kiss, I find pure bliss. A grapefruit sunny essence, a morning sweet delight. Grapefruit avocado salad. Ingredients: 1 grapefruit, segmented, 1 ripe avocado, sliced, 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced, 2 cups mixed greens, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon fresh lime juice, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large salad bowl, combine the mixed greens, grapefruit segments, avocado slices, and red onion. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil and lime juice to make the dressing. Drizzle the dressing over the salad. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Toss the salad gently to combine all the ingredients. Serve as a refreshing and healthy lunch side dish. Or delightful sunny outdoor grapefruit picnic. A grapefruit sunny essence, a morning sweet delight. Funny dialogue between 2 different fruits and their identical names. Giant grapefruit and tiny grape. Grape, you know grapefruit, English people always mistake me for you. Grapefruit, oh, please, grapes. I'm the grape, with an identity crisis here. Grape, why do they call you grapefruit? You're such a giant. It's confusing. Grapefruit, well, little grape, I didn't choose the name. Blame the Englishman. At that time, they were short on names. Or, probably because I'm bigger and they thought I was the upgraded grape. Grape, you've got a lot of nerve, grapefruit. You're just a big grape wannabe. Grapefruit, big. Sure, but you're just a tiny grape, trying to steal my roar. Grape, I'm sweet and bite-sized, while you're a sour giant. Who's the real fruit here? Grapefruit, size doesn't matter, grape. It's all about that zesty boldness. Grapefruit, well, at least I'm not confused for an old raisin. Grape, you know what? I think you should rename yourself Big Tart. Grapefruit, and I think you should be called Little Roly. But we are who we are. And can be 2 different peas in a pot. And we are both fruits. So, let it be harmony. Grape, fine, peace. As long as you admit grapes are clearly the better fruit. Grapefruit, in your grape dreams. These jokes playfully highlight the comical mix-up between their names while emphasizing the fun of their distinct personalities and flavors. In the morning's gentle light, I spy a citrus joy, a grapefruit on the table, round, fresh and bright. What a delight! Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.